Are you still using the Goxlr in 2025 and you are still having any issues with your microphone because you are using the original Goxlr software? I'm gonna show you a Goxlr utility that you can download and it works. It was basically made for Linux, but it works better on Windows PC as well than the original Goxlr software that you can download from tchelican.com. And you go to the github.com, you search on the Google for the Goxlr utility, and you go there. You need to have the original drivers, the official drivers by TC Helicon that you can download here. Yeah, so you have to go to the downloads, and the downloads are available on the release page, and on the release page you download the exe version, and I have it already downloaded and installed in my Windows PC. So I can close this, and there we go. This is the TC Helicon Goxlr utility. This was made by a guy. Oh, and I have an update available which shows here. So the Goxlr utility was made by a guy. I don't know his name, but you can definitely find it on Google. But he was hired by TC Helicon when they were still making updates on the Goxlr, when they returned back to release a new, I don't know, software, or they were planning on releasing the Goxlr in white version, which they did, but then they quit again, which is unfortunate. But with the Goxlr utility, you can still use your Goxlr. You don't need to sell it. You don't need to put it into the trash bin. I have my Goxlr for 3 years, and I've had issues before with the original software, but with the Goxlr utility I have no issues. And these are my settings if you are wondering how it looks like. And what's the best about the utility, that you have the max setup, which shows you everything from the original Goxlr software, but then you have the noise gate, which this wasn't originally on the original software. And then you have it's closes on its own. And then, is there anything else? No, there is nothing else. So yeah, basically this is the Goxlr utility. You have the mixer settings, and it also comes with submixes, which I'm not using right now, but you can use the submixes to separate the audio into your stream and into the headphones. And it also comes with a stream mix and the watt mix. So everything you put into the stream mix, it goes into the stream, but everything you set to the watt, it goes to the watt. So you can route this. I have my music tab in here. So basically when I play any music on stream, it goes into the stream, but in watt it's disabled. So whenever you play a watt on my stream, it will not play the copyrighted music. So you can just route it in here, and you can unroute the chat from your stream, but I have it routed in my OBS in a separate tab, so I don't have it there. And this helps a lot with setting up your audio for streaming. So yeah, this is the Goxlr utility. If you are still using the Goxlr in 2025, make sure to download the Goxlr utility and set up your microphone. This will gonna fix all your issues and crashing of the Goxlr software. I don't know, I have been using this for 2 years, the utility, and it still works. So yeah, make sure to use the Goxlr utility. Peace out.